Hey friend, are you looking for a way to make affiliate commissions with using affiliate websites online without all the work in an automated way? And maybe you came across the NewsProfixPro product. But hey, in this exciting episode, we're going to do a NewsProfixPro review, all right? We're going to look through the benefits and features of this new software tool, look at the pros and cons, and help you decide whether or not you in fact can make some affiliate commissions online using this software tool, all right? So hey, if you're new to my channel, my name is Chris from ChrisandNjigha.com, and this channel is all about empowering you, the home business entrepreneur, with the mindset and the online skill sets to get results, make money, drive breakthroughs, and live the choice lifestyle you deserve, all right? So if you like content like that, reviews like this, and definitely give the video a like, consider subscribing to the channel, and go ahead and smash that bell too, because you'll be notified whenever I drop new videos, which is pretty much almost daily. All right, so let's get into it, my friend. This is the NewsProfixPro review. It is a WordPress product that came out recently. Hey, can you make money with this thing? Is it legit? Let's find out. Let's find out what this thing's about. All right, so the creator is two gentlemen by the name of Jason Fulton and Mosh Bari. So they both are internet marketers. They've done quite a few launches as well. So they're real people, and they have created a real product here as well. So who is this for? Who is NewsProfixPro for? Well, anyone who wants to make money online. If you're an affiliate marketer, definitely. If you're an internet marketer, social media marketer, if you're a blogger trying to monetize and create some income, yes. YouTuber, if you're in e-commerce, this is of interest to you as well. All right, so what exactly is NewsProfixPro? Well, essentially, according to their sales page, it's a software that creates in 60 seconds, fully automated, self-updating, self-growing news content websites that earn commissions daily completely from free traffic. Yeah, it's exactly what it sounds like. It sounds like a one-button push system, right? That does everything. Creates content for you, grows on its own, doesn't get traffic on its own. You almost don't need to do anything, right? Okay, so it's a one-button push system, according to them, that gathers free content from the web. So basically curates a bunch of content from the web and it stores on your site and then pairs it with Amazon, eBay, and Walmart offers along with the content, and all in an automated way. So it's very interesting. All right, so what's the pricing on this thing? Well, let's take a quick look at the sales page itself so we can get that. All right, so like I said, they're saying it's a brand new software that creates fully automated self-updating sites that make money and earn commissions every single day. So mind you, just a disclaimer, I did not purchase this product because it is not in my line of what I would recommend as a service or product. For me personally, it's not in my limelight of what I do, but I do want to give you my best recommendation based on my 2.5 years of experience on internet marketing on what I believe could be a benefit for you. So that's what you're going to get in this video here. So like I said, they're saying that you can create multiple auto income sites, make passive income from this. You don't have to do any writing, any social media posting, no video making, no paid traffic. And so I'm kind of like, okay, if there's no social media posting and there's no paid traffic, and earlier they mentioned no SEO required, and how do you get traffic at all to this thing, right? And then you can start seeing results in 24 hours. It grows on its own and it gets traffic on its own, and it's a self-sustaining beast, apparently, right? As you can see some testimonials here. And one thing of note is like these people here, like I know these guys right here, right? I know these guys. I know these names. I've seen them. All these guys are internet marketers, right? So these are the guys that are like giving testimonials. They're all internet marketers, right? They all promote and launch products, and they help each other promote launch products. It's kind of like, I don't know if you've ever been in real estate, but like if you ever seen real estate agents when they're working together, they're trying to help each other make the sale and get the client to buy and sell. And it's almost as if they're like trying to help each other do the business, and the customer or the client is kind of out. It almost seems like they're not getting the best service that they should be getting. And that's kind of what it is right here, right? It's kind of weird. I mean, this is a conflict of interest if you just think about it, right? I mean, they sell and promote internet products all the time, and so they're helping each other. So can you really trust these testimonials? I don't know. And so they're showing all the sales that you're making. They made a couple $100 each month by using these sites here. And it's all about passive income, right? Trying to be able to create an asset, which I get. I'm all about creating assets online that sustain themselves, that continuously provide value. So I definitely get that. But can you do it without writing content, without expensive hosting, without any traffic at all, without creating any new articles? are doing anything. It's all right. That's interesting. So that's what NewsProfixPro is. And once again, more testimonials. But once again, these are all internet marketers, right? These are pro marketers, yeah. So they do tell you that they're pro marketers. So it's kind of because it's kind of like I said, it's a little conflict of interest because all these people here, I know this guy here, I know this guy here, they're always promoting each other's products. So you don't know for sure if they're giving you legitimate recommendations or if they're just doing it because of they're reciprocating for their fellow internet marketers. So who knows? But once again, you don't have to write any articles, no huge investments into websites, no time-consuming labor to do the websites, no repetitive tasks, no tech skills required, you know. Okay, and then all you have to do is enter the site name once you get access to it, enter the keywords for the type of niche you want to get into, and then push the button and it's automatically going to start bringing it in. As a matter of fact, I can show you here this demo video real quick on how it works. So essentially once you get into the site, you would basically, you can see like this is basically what the site looks like right now. They're using morning coffee as a thing. There's no articles on it, right? And so what happens is then you can then kind of go through here. They'll show you how to set up all your affiliates with Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. And then once you do that, you go to top news to post, and you can choose any news source that you want to. So it's really interesting. It's like curating content, which is a legitimate way to create content, by the way. So you could choose ABC News. You schedule it. You want 24. You want max number of posts to be 20. You want them within 24 hours. So it's gonna the system will the software will make 20 different posts that'll pull from the news site, and it'll do this within 24 hours. And then once you do that, you select an action, and it'll start loading them up, right? So it's loading all these all these articles, pulling them from the different news sites. Once again, you saw the ABC, CNN, there's a bunch of them. So this is all legitimate content. And then once it finishes it, right, you can go back to the website, and then when he refreshes it and reloads it, boom, look at that, right? There's a bunch of articles, all came from the ABC news site, right? So it's really, really cool. This is a way of curating content. It's a way of curating content. So it's a legitimate way to do it. And what's also interesting too is that when you click on one of the articles, you'll get access to, you'll see the article here, but then there's also an item that's being sold here too. From, in this case, this is a watch from Amazon that's being promoted along with this particular article. So it's pretty cool because it automates your monetization as well, and all this will be linked to you. This is all affiliate links that would be linked to you once you got that set up in the back office. So it's actually pretty interesting in that regard. So you're not, like I say, you're not creating sites manually. You're not having to do the software, deal with software to create sites. It's pretty simple. It's pretty quick there. You're not having to hire a designer. All the content has already been made. So you're basically curating content once again, and then you can make money, you know, from either Amazon, JVZoo, ClickBank, anything you want to link it to, and create money and do that as well. So these are more commissions. Once again, more affiliate marketers and internet marketers. Don't know if there's actually people, not early beginner people, that are getting success with this. So you can create sites, unlimited content, fully automated sites. It's automatically monetized, which is pretty cool. Building and you can build engaging funnels in any niche, promoting any type of product you want. In one click, you find thousands of content sources, which is pretty cool. Fully SEO automated. So I'm not really sure exactly how that works when it's SEO optimized, and these 32 sources of free traffic. Not exactly sure how you get traffic if you're not posting it on social media, you're not paying for traffic. They're saying that you can get some organic traffic from Google, but that's not going to be quick. So I'm not really sure how you're making money super fast as the way they claim. You do get web hosting for free along with this, so that's pretty cool. You can connect your own domain with it as well. It's all inclusive system. So that's essentially what you're getting here. And then there's a couple of bonuses: the Facebook Live community, a case study. So that's pretty cool. So essentially, the price on it is one site license. You can get $21 for that, and if you get the pro license, that's $22. I'm assuming that's more than one site then at that point, and 21, 22 is really not a huge difference, so you might as well go with it. So the price seems to be pretty reasonable. You get a 30-day money back guarantee. And that's pretty much that. So if you ask me, some of the things that I do like is that it does promote blogging via content creation, and it's a pretty simple way to create some income pretty quickly, depending on how these traffic is being promoted. So I love that. Content creation is a great way to definitely create content. It's good, and it's low cost. So I definitely love it. But some of the things that I don't like, that I feel like are red flags, you just have to be careful with, is that, in my opinion, in my 2.5 years of experience as I've done this, and I've started to learn and understand the internet marketing game and how things work with cats in this space, there's really no such thing as a push button system. There really isn't, right? There's always something you're gonna have to do. There's always a trick, always a gimmick. There's always oh, P.S. by the way, when it comes to these type of things, all right? So the push button system is probably the worst thing that you can ever look for, that was ever done for people, because people think that it's there to help you, but it really handicaps you incredibly. Number two, I don't particularly like the idea of how they keep telling you that you don't have to create any content. Forget blogging, forget doing anything, just do this and you're good to go. And I think that's another form of creating laziness in people. And like, that doesn't work long term, right? I'm all for content creation, curating content. I love it. Use other people's content, boom. But you can't go 100% on that. I've found that the best combination is a combo of creating your own content and curating. You gotta create your own so that you can really understand the market. You really can't do that if you're creating content 100% of the time. Number three, one of my biggest pet peeves is reliance on a software that does everything for you. I'm not a fan of done-for-you systems, done-for-you softwares. Not a fan, because number one, it keeps you weak. It keeps you without building skills. It keeps you from honing your skills. And your reliance on a software tool is really dangerous. It keeps you vulnerable, right? It's the same thing when you go to a job. You're vulnerable there because they can fire you at any time, right? This is the same thing here. You don't want to be in a place where you're vulnerable in your online business, where if the software breaks down, you're done for. If the creators decide to just take it off and be done with it, you're done for. If Google decides to like slap your websites because of the way you're curating, you're done for. There's all kinds of number of things that can happen to you, and instantly your business is down. I don't know about you, but I don't like that. I don't want my brand being dependent on another person or another software or tool that strongly. And then on top of it, you got internet marketers like this that are always creating products over and over again. Is there going to be continuous maintenance on this particular software? If something goes down, you're going to always be, can you guarantee that it's going to be around the next 2 or 3 years? They're going to continue making it? Keep in mind, internet marketers are always launching products like almost every other month. Literally, that's what they're doing. So I don't know. Can you trust that? And at the end of the day, you're not learning any real marketing skills here, right? You gotta learn the marketing skills. It's the marketing skills that will make you recession proof, that will make you just invincible. No one can ever keep you from being your full potential, ever. Not your job, not your boss, not anyone, not internet, some guru online, nobody, because you have the skills. The skills in themselves is what always will put food on the table for you and create abundance for you. But it's gotta take the time to learn them. And is it gonna be easy? No, it's not. That's the point. I'm sorry if someone told you that, hey, it's gonna be easy, it should be easy. No, it's not. It's not. My wife the other day was telling me how sometimes, we had a little argument, and she's like, why is it so hard? Why is marriage so hard sometimes? Because that's how it is sometimes. That's exactly how it is. It's supposed to be hard, because all good things in life require effort and work. If you really want to make your business work, you gotta put the skills in. Don't be afraid to struggle. Don't be afraid to. That's what I had to learn. I was like, wait, this is how you're gonna have to do it. So anyway, limited income, number one, because you saw they were all making just a couple $100 curating content, limited, and at the end of the day, you still gotta learn to drive traffic. I still don't understand how you're getting traffic to these sites, right? If you're not posting on social media, if you're not doing paid traffic and you're relying on SEO, I don't know how you're getting traffic fast like they claim. They said, oh, you just have to post, but still, if you post on social media, you still gotta have an audience, right? Already, that's how that works. So anyway, there's a lot of red flags, but I do like the model. At the end of the day, I give it 3 stars. And the reason is because it is a pretty cool, innovative blogging and content creating method that can earn you income. But I don't like the fact that it doesn't empower you with any skill sets. It leaves you completely dependent on the system to stay in business. That alone is what brings it down, and that's my recommendation. So at the end of the day, it is your call. I hope this was helpful for you to make a decision, to help you, empower you with the knowledge set to decide whether or not this is in fact something you want to be involved with as part of your growing plan of your business or what you're doing. So that's it. So hopefully this was helpful. If you found value in this and it was helpful, hey, definitely give the video a like. Consider subscribing to the channel up here. And hey, if you want to know my #1 recommendation of how to make money online that will build your skills, so at the end of the day, you will walk away somebody bigger and stronger and better than when you first found us and you were in our system, then check out the link in the description below, all right? And hey, check out my link too for my bonuses that I'm going along top with it, all right? So hey, that's it, my friend. Until the next exciting episode, be blessed, stay hungry. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.